Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is Morris from the Best Online Tutorials channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to mask in Canva. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need a blank canvas. My canvas isn't blank because I've added the images I need for the video. So go ahead and add the images you would like to mask, a top layer and a bottom layer. All right, so I am going with this option for my top layer and this for my bottom layer. Now all you need to do here is simply resize your images so they fit into each other, so they are practically the same size. Now once you have done this, go ahead and remove the background for the bottom image. So just simply remove the background for the bottom image. Once the background has been removed, all right, so I went ahead to remove the background, and as you can see, it fits seamlessly into the other image. Now, all you need to do is head over to Edit here, and then head over to Effects, scroll and select Duotone, and then select Custom, and then make sure the colors are set to black. Make sure the colors are set to black for the shadow and highlights. So once you have done this, the next step would be to save this image. So go ahead and click on Share and click on download and simply download this image onto your device. All right, so once it's downloaded, just go ahead and delete it. Now, the same thing goes for the other image. Go ahead and share this. We do this so they can be the same size. Now, click on download for the other image. And now once the download has been completed, you can now go ahead and delete both. Now, the next thing is just simply adding them back to the canvas. So go ahead and add them back to your canvas where you're designing. Go ahead and drag and drop one here and then drop the next one. All right, so once you've added the two images to the frame, all you need to do now is go over to apps, and then on the app, go ahead and search for blend. That's what we're looking for. Go ahead and search for blend and then click on blend image. Looks like this. Now for the bottom layer, let's use the selected image for the bottom layer. And then for the top layer, let's use the selected image. So it's going to provide a preview, and then the blend mode you're selecting is known as screen. So go ahead and select screen for the two blend modes, and then you should get a mask. Then when you click on add to design, we have our mask, which you can now expand to cover the entirety of your canvas. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.